Hello guys and welcome to the video. So today in this video on the playlist of VestaCP, we're gonna see that how we can install SSL on our server. So VestaCP comes up with a free SSL that's known as Let's Encrypt SSL. So to add SSL, we have to do some major things first that sometimes that are not configured in the VestaCP. So you have to come to DNS and you have to click on edit. And then here you can see that sometimes there is an IP address which is not matched with the IP address of your server. So you have to go to the AWS console, and then after you go to AWS console, then you will get the public IP address of the server and you have to paste it over here. I have already pasted it. And then what you have to do is you have to go to server, you have to go to configure, and then you have to come to Vesta SSL, and then you have to click on use web domain SSL certificate, click on save. But sometimes you can see that it's not enabled yet. Also if you come to the server, then that the connection is not secure, so you have to give it some times, like let me give it a few more times. Okay, if it does not work like this, then come to web and then click on edit on the domain, and then check the IP address is same or not, and here click on SSL support and click on Let's Encrypt support and click on save. It will take a while because yeah, that's done. And now if we come to the server and write here https:// enter, yeah, we can see our connection is secured. And also then we can go to configure, we'll come to Vesta SSL here. Yeah, you see, you have to first give the web, and here there's admin.funnel. That's from here I've already configured it, but I'm showing you again. Click on save, and now yes, now we can use our web, the back end and also the front end with SSL. So thank you very much.